This video is dedicated to the many homeless cats around the world waiting for their chance for a forever home. Through the magic of YouTube, I learned the story of a homeless cat named Ding Dong, halfway across the world from me, and the story of a kind lady that took her in. Emily is a creator on YouTube. Like me, she didn't even know that she has an affinity toward cats until later on in life. But once your heart opens up, it is almost impossible to turn your back on them, the strays and abandoned cats. Little Ding Dong had a hard life in the rough streets and made her home in the parking lot. She was kicked and abused by heartless people that treated her as a worthless animal. With love and devotion, little Ding Dong was nurtured and valued as a sweet companion she was meant to be. I was touched by the story and offered to do a couple of paintings of little Ding Dong. Through photos of the tabby cat, I made 2 small portraits of her happy self. Although I never met Ding Dong, I try to convey her sweetness and her unique markings on canvas. I have once told a friend of mine that I knew the day you fall in love with your cat is the happiest day, but it is also the saddest, because the sadness of losing your little friend is inevitable and eventual, and the pain will be great and unbearable. Believing in this sentiment, I also sent Emily a painting of her with her special girl in an open field, enjoying the sunshine and cool breeze. I wanted to freeze frame their joy and togetherness for them. I named it On Nature Walk with Ding Dong. Little Dee Dee's time with her owner was indeed too short. The tremendous love and care cannot replace or erase the many years of neglect and suffering for being in the elements. Her little heart was weak. Being the brave little girl she was, and after an unrelenting fight, Dee Dee had to say goodbye. Even before Ding Dong left, they had raised both money and awareness for homeless cats and abused animals. As a team, they encouraged others to adopt and place cats in permanent homes. A community formed to rally behind the effort. I watched from far away, but was so touched and grateful by the thought that kind animal-loving people are all over the globe. That mission continues today. After learning of Ding Dong's passing in the spring of 2017, I planted Forget-Me-Not in my garden. A year later, her flowers bloom. It is our hope that we will not forget little Dee Dee's spirit and the continual need to save them all. Thank you, and thank you for watching.